Here in my hand is a Comgrow PLA 3D kit. This particular kit included white and black. I needed the white and black because I decided to print myself one giant SpaceX rocket and I needed a whole lot of white. I went through like one roll, bought another roll. I had bought this before, so that's how good this is. I went back to it to buy it again. Let me show you some B-roll of the print going while I tell you about why. And the reason why I got it again is because I don't take proper care of these. I leave them sitting out in the room temperature, normal moisture in the air, that kind of stuff, and never did I have a problem with it. I was always able to just pick it up, put it in the machine, print it, never tangled, never got gooey or had bubbles or any of those things which they say if you don't take care of these things right they get, and I never had any of those issues. So when I needed more, I went right back and bought this again. So I'm going to give it my highest recommendations. The white is white, the black is black, and it prints well. I'm not sure what else you want. In conclusion, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.